Welcome to Creating a Profitable Blog, Step-by-Step Guide to Making Money Online. Are you ready to learn how to turn your passion for writing into a lucrative online business? Join us as we dive into the exciting world of blogging and show you the exact steps to build a profitable blog. Let's get started. Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job that doesn't fulfill your dreams? Are you looking for a way to earn money doing something you love? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a profitable blog and making money online. Whether you want to supplement your income or achieve full financial freedom, blogging can be the perfect solution. Why start a blog? Before we dive into the specifics of creating a profitable blog, let's understand why blogging is such a powerful tool in today's digital landscape. Firstly, blogging allows you to share your interests, expertise, and stories with the world. It gives you a platform to express yourself and connect with like-minded individuals. Additionally, blogging has the potential to generate passive income, allowing you to earn money even while you sleep. So, let's explore the many reasons why starting a blog is a smart move. Finding your niche. In this section, we will help you identify your blogging niche, a key element in creating a profitable blog. Finding your niche involves identifying a specific topic or area of interest that you are passionate about and which has a potential audience. We will guide you through the process of exploring various niches, conducting market research, and selecting a niche that allows you to stand out from the competition. Remember, choosing the right niche is crucial for long-term success. Setting up your blog. Now that you have identified your niche, it's time to set up your blog. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of selecting the right blogging platform, setting up your domain and hosting, and creating a visually appealing and user-friendly blog design. We will also discuss the importance of choosing a memorable and brandable domain name and provide you with tips on selecting the right hosting provider. So, let's get your blog up and running. Creating compelling content. Great content is at the heart of a successful blog. In this section, we will share valuable insights and strategies to help you create compelling content that attracts and engages your target audience. We will cover topics such as understanding your audience, brainstorming content ideas, creating an editorial calendar, and optimizing your blog posts for search engines. By the end of this section, you'll have the tools to consistently produce high-quality content that keeps readers coming back for more. Monetizing your blog. Now that your blog is set up and you're consistently creating valuable content, it's time to monetize your blog and turn it into a profitable venture. In this section, we will explore various monetization strategies, such as display advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling products and services, and more. We will provide you with tips on how to optimize your revenue streams and diversify your income sources. Are you ready to start making money from your blog? Congratulations! You have reached the end of our guide on creating a profitable blog and making money online. We hope that this video has provided you with actionable insights and inspired you to embark on your blogging journey. Remember, success in the blogging world doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, consistency, and a passion for your niche. So, start implementing the strategies learned today and watch your blog flourish. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck on your path to financial freedom. By following this step-by-step guide, you will have all the necessary knowledge and resources to build a profitable blog. Remember, perseverance and adaptability are key in the ever-changing world of blogging. Best of luck on your journey to making money online through blogging.